Hello little Earth explorers, welcome back to Earth and Me with Violina. Today we are going to learn about air pollution. So what is air pollution? Air pollution happens when harmful gases, smoke, dust or tiny particles mix with the air and make it unhealthy for people, animals and plants. But where does this pollution come from? Harmful gases and smoke come from vehicles like cars, buses, trucks, factories, and when people burn garbage, leaves, or other materials into the atmosphere. Polluted air can make it harder for people and animals to breathe and can affect our health. Plants are affected too. So, what can we do? We can help keep our air cleaner by planting and protecting trees, using public transport when possible, walking or cycling for short distances, reducing, reusing and recycling, and never burn garbage. Remember children, the air belongs to everyone. When we care for our air, we care for people, animals, plants and our beautiful planet. So, let's make a promise. Clean air, green earth, happy life. See you in the next episode of Earth and Me with Violina. Bye bye for now and keep loving the earth. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends.